Hey everyone, this is Julia with the Konkin Review, and today I'm at the 4 Points by Sheraton in Anaheim at the Disneyland Resort, giving you an honest tour and review of the 24-hour pool area and fitness center. This video is not sponsored, but if you find it helpful, we'd love your support. Give us a like, leave a comment, or subscribe. Even though it's located right beside a busy freeway, it's a well laid out pool area with tons of space and a tropical vibe. The pool deck is really spacious with lots of tables and chairs. The pool is large and clean with a maximum depth of 5 feet. Pool towels are provided, and it's good to note there are 2 bathrooms. There's no lifeguard on duty, and there is a pool lift for accessibility. Some of the perks that Ben and I really enjoyed were the outdoor ping pong table, the awesome view of the Disneyland fireworks, the fact that you can bring in your own food and discreet beverages, and that it's open 24/7. There were a few downsides that we noted. The freeway created quite a bit of noise. There weren't really enough lounge chairs for soaking up the sun. There was dirt at the bottom of the hot tub. And the Poolside Bar was closed for our entire stay, meaning that if you wanted to buy food or drinks, you had to go back into the hotel and head over to the True Grits restaurant. The fitness center was clean and had a good variety of equipment and was a good size. Water and towels are provided, and it's also open 24/7. Compared to other resorts I've been to at this price point in Anaheim, the pool and fitness center at the 4 Points by Sheraton is one of the better ones. But with a few minor tweaks, it could easily be the best. For more information on the 4 Points by Sheraton, check out our 4 Points resort tour and review, our room tour and review, and our review of the True Grits breakfast buffet. I'm Julia, and this has been the Konkin Review.